Rock with me now.
Get it?
Hey guys, it's your girl Paris. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will be doing these large knotless box braids on myself, of course. This is not my first time doing these box braids. I'm trying to learn to get better at them, because who got $300, $500 to pay somebody else to do it? Get someone else to do it, okay? So I'm going to take you along this video with me, and hopefully you like it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So I am starting off with pre-part sections. They're not the neatest, but they will work for what I needed to do for over the 4th of July weekend. In my setup, I have a mirror right there behind me, and I am in the bathroom, as you can see in the reflection of the mirror. I need to get me a 3-way mirror, so that is in the lineup for me for future hair tutorials or hair videos. And I am starting off with using the Freetress brand, the 10 bundle here in color 2, some Shine and Jam, I think that's Shine and Jam, and a rat tail comb to clean up my parts just a little bit.
Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. But I love when we make up like that. Well, maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Sliding on the low, everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I've still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low.
And you see me struggling here a little bit. For some reason, starting the first braid is a little difficult for me, because you got to get it positioned right, make sure it's not too tight, but you got a good grip on it. And for some reason, it's very difficult to start with that first braid, but I do get frustrated a little bit and just take it down. So you will see that in here.
Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, Working on the low, smoking on the low. I still been
So now we're back with the first 2 rows completed, and I'm starting on the 3rd row. In the back of my head, it is difficult to do because you're trying to find the right angle, but for what I need it done for, it's totally fine. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of the video, and you won't have to worry about me interrupting. Enjoy the video.
I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, working on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been
Persian rocks, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn up on. I wanna let you